You create your own reality through the choice of your thinking. And never speak negatively. Never speak disastrously. Speak always positively and miraculously. Whenever you open your mouth, only miraculous words should come out. Only pearls should come out. Not stupid stones. If you open your mouth, a pearl should come out. A diamond should come out. A ruby should come out. Otherwise, don't open your mouth and spoil the environment. Non-enlightened people have got no right to speak. Because whatever they speak, there is darkness. And they are spreading their darkness through their own words. Unless you become a Buddha, you cannot open your mouth properly. And before becoming a Buddha, you are always opening your mouth improperly. Spreading dirt around. Keep your mouth shut until you become enlightened. Then you can open your mouth. For the benefit of the whole mankind. For the benefit of the whole being kind. Otherwise, you don't have the right to open your mouth and spoil the whole situation. If I don't know driving, will anybody give me a key for the vehicle? No, I don't know. What is an accelerator, what is a clutch, what is a brake. And I want to drive, accident will be there. You must know what to speak, how to speak, when to speak. Then only you can speak. You must know what to think, when to think, how to think. Then only you can think. Knowing what to think, when to think, how to think, knowing what to speak, when to speak, how to speak is enlightenment. If you don't know what to think and what to speak, are you enlightened? You are not. Only enlightened people should open their mouth. Only people who have got a driving license should drive. If you don't have a driving license, you cannot drive. Just like driving license, you must have a speaking license. I will test your enlightenment, and if you are fit for enlightenment, I will give you a license to speak, open your mouth, not otherwise. I won't give you a license to speak because you are stupid. You never were sincere and serious about your enlightenment. So how can you open your mouth? I don't give license to anybody other than a Buddha or a Jesus or a Shankaracharya. You have to be at that level to open your mouth properly. Show me your sincerity and show me your seriousness, show me your enlightenment. Then I will give you a license to open your mouth. Yes, you can open your mouth. Give me your qualifications. In terms of your sincerity, your seriousness and your enlightenment, give me your qualifications. Then I can give you a license. Yes, you can open your mouth. If you don't know violin, can you touch a violin? Will anybody give you a violin? No. You have to learn violin to touch a violin. You have to learn how to talk, to be able to talk. Open your mouth. It's a big subject. Learning how to talk is a big subject, like music, like engineering. Without studying engineering, can you build a building? You can't do it. So without learning the science of talking, how can you talk? Without learning the science of eating, how can you eat? Without learning about the science of meditation, how can you do meditation?
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.